Hey guys, today's tutorial is all about love and nature. Let's learn how to paint a couple cycling on a beautiful street. Create a new sketch. Set the resolution to 1536 by 2048. I am using paint tapered brush. Let's begin with the pink sky. I am using different shades of pink and orange. Use Smudge round bristle brush to blend the colors. Create a new layer. Select Line tool and paint the road as so. Use the option Fill to fill in the color. Now select Rectangle tool to paint the walls. I changed my mind and selected maroon shade for wall. Let's paint the road markings. I'm adding some more shades to the sky. Add some pink shades on the road as well. It will kind of create a reflection of sky on the road. I'm using hatch brush to create some textures on the wall. Now select Abstract 2 brush. Let's paint some plants and bushes. Use different shades of green. Select the brush Dry Marker. Now select Predictive Stroke Level 3 to paint the trunk of the coconut trees. Select Abstract 1 brush to paint the leaves. Adding some more shades to the roadside bushes. Add some pink and orange shades as well. Now select the oval tool. Let's paint the moon. Use Cashmere Eraser to softly erase the excess part. You can position the moon after painting. Remember to use new layers for every new subject. Now, let's import an image of plane. Trace the outlines and now use the option Fill to fill in the color. Use orange shades to paint the highlights on the plane. I am using Glow brush to paint the sun. Now, let's import an image of a cycling couple. Trace the outlines and use the option Fill to fill in the color. Let's paint the shadow. Let's give some highlights to our characters. Use Cashmere Eraser to blend the highlights. Let's add a darker shade for shadows. I generally use Smudge round bristle brush to blend the colors. I'm selecting Dotted 2 brush to add some texture to the road. Finally, I am adding some more pink shades on the bushes. You are done. Let me know if you like this tutorial in the comments below. Hit a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Stay safe, stay creative.